Today we're going to show you a very unusual menu for the lunchbox. Do you want to know what is it, Daria? Do you want to guess? What's our menu for today's lunchbox?
It's fishy.
You can smell it.
Is it tuna?
Yes, you're right. It's tuna. First of all, for our sandwich, we have to put amount of tuna we want to use. Yeah, that's great. That's enough, that's enough. Okay. Then, smash it nicely. Good girl. Okay. Then we have onion. We can chop them a little bit smaller, and I'll give you some onion.
Okay.
Normally, when you engage younger kids in the kitchen, it's better to show them some safety tips as well. That's why I gave Daria the butter knife to cut and to start with it in the kitchen. Then gradually, when she gets older, she can use mommy's knife in the kitchen. Okay, we're done with it? That's enough, I think. Then we bring the tuna bowl that we add the tuna and we smash it a bit to make it easier for the sandwich. We add the onion inside. Okay, that's done. And now we need to add salt and pepper, and that's your job, Daria.
Okay, Captain.
We put this away, and yeah. Now we add some lemon. Now we have to add a bit of mustard. I like to add mustard in the tuna sandwich, especially in this recipe. It's recommended, huh? Okay, now this is the spoon for the mustard.
Okay.
Because we don't want it spicy, too much spicy. Yes?
All right, Captain.
Okay, put it there. Now, can you mix it?
Yep.
For mommy? That's right.
It's so colorful.
And you know what? We totally forgot about one ingredient that it's very important. What? Cheese.
Cheese!
Okay, go and get it from the fridge. And Daria, do you want to grate it for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Just put aside that one.
I just need to take this to the...
Okay, and now the cheese is here and it's already sliced and ready. And this is the bun. We have to cut it in half, but not totally completely cut it. Just, yeah, like that. Okay, before putting the mixture in the bun, we need to put some lettuce that's already washed and cut and nicely put it here. Yeah, this is good. And Daria, now, you want to put it in the bun? The mixture? Okay. Now we put it aside and we need to add the cheese. You want to add the cheese?
Yeah.
Let me cut it.
Okay.
Or you can cut it for mommy.
Yeah.
With your special knife. Now we have to close it nicely. Tuck it in. And now we put it on a plate and take it to grill. When the cheese is melted, it means that your sandwich is ready. Look at that smell. I think it's ready. Oh, yes. Yes, we have to close it first and then bring it to the board. Okay, now we have to cut it in half. Let's see, it's very crispy. Yeah.
Yum.
Okay, wow, look at the texture, the cheese. Yummy. Okay, Daria, can you give me the lunchbox, please? Okay. Open it. Yes. Okay. Put it here. And look at these sandwiches. That's why I always use Edam cheese in the sandwich, because it's melted well and the smell is fantastic. We would put them here. Now, okay, now you know what we have to add to the lunchbox?
The fruit!
Yes, go and get some grapes from the fridge, honey.
All right, Captain.
Let's put it here. Now it's done.